Hello everybody, welcome to Champlain College Saint-Lambert. This is a short introduction to our Moodle. Moodle is spelled M-O-D-L-E, and what it is a classroom management system that a lot of your teachers will be using next term. This is where you will find handouts, quizzes, assignments, it has a calendar, a grade book, etc. etc. So you can find our Moodle at Champlain College, one word, saint-lambert.moodle.decclic.qc.ca. That's where you find it, and this is when you get to this screen. You will already have an account. Your username will be your student number, so your student number goes in here. And then the password will be the same password that you will be using for Office 365, your Champlain email, and so on and so on. So when you log into Moodle, you will come to a screen where you see a list of your courses that you are enrolled in, provided your teachers are using Moodle this term. And you will get to a page that looks like. Okay, so this is a literature course, and you will see on this page up here your profile. When you click on that, you can edit your profile picture, you can see all of your grades, and so on and so on. You will see up here a little speech bubble icon where you can chat with your teacher. You can write your teacher messages, almost like texting, almost. Then you will see the course information here. So if we scroll down, it will look like this. Most Moodle courses look similar to this, but your teachers have a lot of freedom to change the look and feel of their Moodle. So it might look something like this. Now, if you go over here on the left, you will see the grade book, which looks like something I will show you in a minute. And you will see a calendar right here, where you can see when what is due, assignments, readings, and so on and so on. So let's go to the main page. So you will have features in Moodle, like for example forums. You will have quizzes. You may have glossaries. You will have a lot of information here. Let's have a quick look at what a forum looks like. We'll click on it, and you will see forum discussions, and you can write something, you can reply, and you can your teacher can give you grades for your forum contributions if your teacher chooses to do so. There are pages in here that you can click on to get more information, and we have also chat rooms. This course doesn't use a chat room. There are course glossaries that you may find. So here's a glossary for important vocabulary used in these in this course. So let's go back. So there are videos. Teachers can embed videos or post links to videos. You can find PDFs here, and hyperlinks and so on. Here's an assignment on a famous poem. You can see here that teachers may define grading rubrics, so then you know how you will be graded. So in this case, you would be uploading a Word file or a PDF file with your essay, and your teacher can grade that right in Moodle, and you can see the teacher's feedback all in here. What else do we have? We have peer assessment assignments. where students assess other students, and then that will be graded by teachers. There's audio, so that you can play. There's a lot of multimedia in here. There are feedback modules, there are quizzes, like for example this one. Let's attempt this quiz now. Let's start the attempt. In this case, it's a multiple choice quiz, and it looks like this. Sometimes you have to write a little bit something, and so on and so on. And then when you think you're done with the quiz, you can submit it, and you will get your grade really fast, because all of the multiple choice questions will be graded automatically. So let's go back here. So this is what Moodle looks like and feels like. Let me also show you another aspect of Moodle, and that is the gradebook. If you go on the gradebook, it will look like this for you. Your name will be up here, and you can see your grades. These are the assignments, and the grades will pop up here. You will sometimes, depending on the setting that your teacher uses, you will see letter grades as well, and you may even see feedback that your teacher wrote, and you may see where you stand compared to all the other students in the course. Okay, there's also a calendar, and in this calendar you will see when assignments are due, and so on and so on. And that is very useful. Moodle also has an app for iOS and Android that you can download to your phone, and it will send you reminders, and when you send a little message and somebody replies, it will also send you notifications of that, so that you don't miss any deadlines. So I hope this makes some sense. And like I said, depending on what your teacher wants to do with Moodle, they can customize pretty much anything in here. You will see something like this. Some teachers use a lot of images and a lot of videos. Other teachers only upload a couple of assignments, and so on and so on. But this is the look and feel of Moodle. Thank you, and have a great term.